Hey eSparkers, we've learned a lot and practiced making connections, and now we're going to learn even more. Remember, a connection is something that two or more things have in common, and in this case, the things are people or animals. Alright, we'll start off with part of a book I'm reading in science. Read along with me. The lioness catches all of the food for her cubs and protects them from predators. What is the connection between the lioness and her cubs? Oh, it says her cubs. That must mean that she is their mom. So the connection between the lioness and these cubs is that she's their mom. Alright, let's look at another example. Here's part of a book I'm reading for fun. It's about firefighters. Follow along as I read. Firefighters have to train hard so that in an emergency, they are prepared. Firefighters also work with police in an emergency so they can keep everyone safe. Now, I'm going to think about any connections there might be between firefighters and police. Well, both firefighters and police help people, and it says here that they work together to keep people safe. So the connection between firefighters and police is that they work together to keep people safe. As you continue your quest, be sure to think about the connections between different people or animals, and have fun eSparking!